Good morning friends, today it's 7th of October 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty futures for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. In line with the expectations, the index has started the week on a positive note. Yesterday we have seen that Nifty opened over and above 24,990 levels and made an intraday high of 25,199. Nifty futures ended at its highs at 25,185, up 0.72%. As per the price study, we have been saying that Nifty remains buy on dip over and above 24,700-750 levels, expecting higher targets of 25,200 and extended targets thereafter towards 25,500 odd levels, which need to be held in order to trigger short covering and fresh buying interest. So yesterday we have seen that the index has tested its first resistance of pullback and has just ended around 25,200 mark. As per the price study, Nifty futures trading over and above 24,980 and 24,750 remains buy on dip, and on the higher note 25,290. This is a futures level, 25,290, or you can say round figure 25,300 mark, followed by 25,800. These are the levels which is going to act as a resistance come hurdles. So the outlook remains buy on dip till the time Bank Nifty is holding over and above 24,980, and for the potential higher targets as mentioned, gradually the index can move towards the highs of 25,390 to 25,800 mark. The bias remains valid till the time Nifty futures is sustaining over and above 24,980 on closing basis. For the day today, 25,080 and 25,000 remains important support levels. Dips toward those levels can be looked for fresh buying in Nifty futures, while on the higher note 25,280 and 25,390, these are the resistance levels intraday, where a contra trading short bets can also be looked, keeping a stop over and above 50 odd points. Today being the first monthly expiry of Nifty futures, 7th October, maximum put build up at 25,000 and maximum call build up at 25,200. So that remains the OI data as per the weekly expiry, and we believe that buy on dip remains important. The buy on dip remains the bias, but as of now, since in last couple of sessions we have seen a decent up move, any move towards 25,280 and higher can attract some intraday selling pressure and can retest the lower support levels. So fresh longs should be looked only on dips now. Let the market consolidate for a day and two and give some kind of retracement in intraday, which can be looked for buying. Else higher levels can be looked for contra trading short bets, keeping strict stop losses. In respect with Bank Nifty, it has gained substantially in last 3 trading sessions from the lows of around 54,300, which was on 29th of September. From 54,300, the index tested the highs of 56,375 yesterday. It ended on a positive note on a firm ground at 56,297 levels, up 0.79%. As per price study, Bank Nifty remains buy on dip. Immediate support will be at around 55,750 and immediate resistance will be around 56,700 for the day today. Buy on dip and sell on rise remains the outlook. Dips towards 55,900 and 55,550 can provide a better risk reward ratio for fresh longs, while intraday pullbacks towards 56,450 and 56,680 levels can be looked for contra trading short bets. Overall, if you see the broader structure and the pattern, then 55,000 and 57,000 remains the range with buy on dip outlook. Even as per the monthly OI data for Bank Nifty, we can see the maximum call build up is at 57,000 strike and the maximum put build up is at 55,000 strike. The bias as per the derivative data too remains buy on dip. So net both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty remains buy on dip, but since Nifty is approaching towards immediate resistance, same is the case with Bank Nifty. For a day and two, some pause and retracement cannot be ruled out. Contra play can be looked at higher levels, but overall the bias remains buy on dip. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.